Welcome to the world of Bitcoin. A place where money meets technology in a revolutionary way. If you've ever felt puzzled by the buzz around digital currencies, or wondered how they might affect you, you're in the right spot. This podcast is your friendly guide to understanding Bitcoin in simple, straightforward language. No technical jargon, no prior knowledge required, just an open mind, and a curiosity to learn something new. Imagine being able to send money to a friend across the globe as easily as sending an email, without banks or middlemen involved. That's the essence of Bitcoin. It's not just for tech enthusiasts or financial gurus. It's for anyone interested in exploring how the future of money might look. So, let's embark on this journey together and demystify the fascinating world of Bitcoin.